Fair is back in person this year. Organizers say they are continuing the mission and work of closing the healthcare gap as they honor the memory and legacy of two of the major faces of this event who are no longer with us.
Latrice Curry has more in Eye on Health.
The area's largest health fair will be back in person this year at a new location, the University Center at UTC.
It is not your traditional health fair. It is more of a relaxed, it's more of a family reunion of sorts. And we have a host of vendors that are providing free health screenings as well as education information to all of our participants.
More than 20 years ago, members of Kappa Alpha Psi fraternity and Omega Psi fraternity came together to address health disparities in African American men, but soon realized there was an even greater need.
We realized that it was not just African American men, but we had that same disparity amongst people of color altogether. So we expanded it, and the ladies from Delta Sigma Theta joined us, and then we expanded to where it was for the family.
Growing into one of the area's largest health fairs, providing life-saving health screenings, other medical services, and more. Drawing more than 6,000 people at times, with more than 100 vendors on hand. Bringing education and access to those who need it most.
We've had people who we've had to have emergency technicians come out on site and address their concerns right then and there.
Statistics show African Americans have the highest death rate from cancer, are 1.4 times as likely to have high blood pressure, twice as likely to have diabetes, and in general have less access to mental health services. While Salmon says they are thrilled to be back in person this year, it won't be the same. They are missing two familiar faces who were key to the growth and success of the Minority Health Fair, Chris Ramsey and Dr. Michael Gear.
We lost them both to health-related issues. Of course, Chris, who was bigger than life, Dr. Gear, who was our engineer of sorts when it came to the medical world and addressing the various health concerns.
While they can never be replaced and will be deeply missed, Salmon says the best way to honor them is to continue their work and mission by closing the healthcare gap and providing services to all of those in need in our community.
We have to continue to honor both he and Dr. Gear and seeing that the health fair will continue to move forward, continue to grow, continue to provide the resources at no cost to our citizens here in the city.
Latrice Curry with that story. The Minority Health Fair takes place on Saturday, August 6th at the UTC University Center.